Hello, Haitian Americans United. I'm so sorry that I can't be there in person with you, but I am so glad to have a chance to join you by video to celebrate Haitian Independence Day. I am honored to have received your nomination for the HAU Community Service Award. Every day, HAU does the work advocating for Haitians and Haitian Americans across our Commonwealth. Your work in education, in community empowerment, and in cultural development provides crucial community services, and it has touched so many families. As we celebrate Haitian Independence Day, I'm committed to keeping up the fight for our Haitian community here in Massachusetts and all across the United States. And that means making sure that our immigration system treats Haitian migrants with the dignity and the respect that they deserve. And that's why I've worked to end inhumane immigration policies like Title 42, and why I'll continue those efforts. It's why I kept up the push to extend and to redesignate temporary protected status for Haiti so that Haitians in the U.S. are not forced back into extremely dangerous situations. And I am very glad that the Biden administration heeded this call because it will save lives. It also means providing support to the Haitian people, including supporting the establishment of a government consistent with their constitution. These fights are far from over, but I am so glad to be partners in this work. Thank you so much again for the HAU Community Service Award. I am deeply honored. Have a wonderful gala and a happy Haitian Independence Day.